EVS class. I hope you are all doing good. How many of you had finished your breakfast? Yeah, very good. We have had our energy giving bodybuilding food items, right? So, as we have learned in last class, what is the second type of food there? Yeah, bodybuilding food. Food items like milk, cheese, meat, chicken, egg, etc. which helps to build our body, and they are called bodybuilding food items. And we have learned to draw a fish. I hope you are all enjoyed with last class, and today's topic is third type of food. What is the third type of food? What are the three types of food we have learned? Energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and the third type is protective food. So, our today's topic is protective food. Can you guess what is a protective food? Any of you? From the name, can you guess or try what is protective food? Consider you are ill, you are unable to do anything. We can say, for us, we are suffering from fever or cold. Some diseases has entered our body and we are suffering. What we will do? We will go to hospital and we will take medicine. Even if you take medicine, we are not getting cured. What the doctor will say? Yeah, we have to check the source of the disease, and he will ask us to stay in the hospital and take treatment for 3 days, 4 days, like this he will say, right? When you are admitted in hospital, our uncle or aunt, somebody is coming to visit us. What they will bring? Usually what they will bring for us? Yeah, very good. Apple, pomegranate, banana, fruits, right? So, why they are bringing fruits for us? Why they are not bringing snacks or something else? Why we are supposed to eat fruits while we are ill or while we are admitted in the hospital? Because fruits has the capacity to protect us from diseases or the microorganisms or virus entering into our body. So that we are supposed to have or eat fruits while we are ill. So these food items are protecting us, right? So they are called protective food. What are the fruits you know? Apple, very good, orange, pomegranate, banana, guava, etc. We know many fruits, right? And this protective food, not only these fruits are protective food, protective foods can be nuts, vegetables. What are the vegetables we know? Many vegetables we know. Brinjal, lady's finger, cucumber, drumstick, tomato, potato, many vegetables we have. Not only these fruits are protective food, these nuts example, cashew nut, hazelnut, etc. Like this, fruits, vegetables and nuts helps us to stay protective. Protective means without illness, without diseases, we can stay healthy. So they are called protective food. Now we can see the definition of protective food. Come on. Fruits, vegetables and nuts protect us from falling ill. They are known as protective food. Come on, repeat. Fruits, vegetables and nuts protect us from falling ill. They are known as protective food. Come on, read once again. Fruits, vegetables and nuts protect us from falling ill. They are known as protective food. Understand what is protective food? Protective food means it should protect us from illness. When we get ill, to get cured, we are having this protective food items. So, clear about what is protective food? So, what are the things we have learned in food we eat? For what we eat food? We eat food to live. Food provides energy to do our work and play. Food helps us to stay fit. And we have to eat types of food. Then the types of food. What are the three types of food? Yeah, very good. What are they? Energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Can you remember what is energy giving food? Yeah, food items like rice, wheat, maize and sugar provides energy to do our work. They are called energy giving food. Then what about body building food? It helps in building our body, that is to develop the muscles and our body development. What is body building food? Food items like milk, cheese, meat, chicken, egg, etc. helps to build our body. So they are called body building food. And the last one what we have learned today. What is a protective food? What is a protective food? Fruits, vegetables, nuts and nuts helps to protect us from ill. So they are called protective food. I hope you are all clear about these three types. Come on, repeat what are the three types of food? Energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Any doubts you have? No, right? Clear about these three types. Good. Now what we are going to do is, I have written names of some food items in the book. What you are going to do is, when I read the name of food item, you have to find whether it is an energy giving, body building or protective food. And for energy giving food you have to write E. For body building food you have to write B. And for protective food you have to write P. Did you understand? I will read the name of the food items. You have to find whether it is energy giving food, body building food or protective food. Shall we? Yes. The first one is egg. Egg is a, come on say egg is a, very good, body building food. So that we had to write B. Then shall we move on to the next one? Wheat. Wheat. Wheat is a, yes, energy giving food. So that you should write E. Come to the next one. food. We had to write P. Next one is orange. Orange is also a fruit, so it should come under protective food. Very good. Then the next is sugar. Sugar. Yeah, very good. Sugar comes under energy giving food. Next one is maize. In which topic we have learned maize? Maize is an energy giving food. Write E. Next is cheese. Cheese is a bodybuilding food. Write B. Next, peanut. It is a nut. So nuts come under protective food. P. Spinach. Spinach is a vegetable. So vegetables come under same protective food. P. Rice is an energy giving food. Banana is a fruit, so it is a protective food. Last one, fish. Fish comes under bodybuilding food. So, clear about what is energy giving, bodybuilding and protective food? Good. So, one more thing. How many of you know blue whale? Blue whale, the biggest animal in the world, right? Blue whale lives in sea. You all know, right? This blue whale, how much food it will eat? Any of you know? How many of you know how much this blue whale will eat? Blue whale, when it is fully grown, like humans, blue whale also, it will be in small and it will grow and when it reaches its maximum size, when it is fully grown, it eats 4,000 kilogram of food per day. How much it eats? 4,000 kilogram of food per day. Now, human beings, how much we are eating? You are very small children, right? While we grow, when we are a full human, how much we will eat? Do you know? A fully grown human being eats how much? 2 to 3 kg per day. When we grow as a full human, we are eating 2 kgs to 3 kgs per day. One day we are eating 2 to 3 kgs. You are small kids, so you may not be eating 2 to 3 kgs, but when we grow as our mother, father, when we are fully grown, we eat 2 to 3 kgs of food. Clear? I hope you all understood today's class. In the next class, what we are going to learn? What we have to learn? Next class, what we are going to learn is, we are eating food. From where we get this food? Any of you know from where we get this food? So, in the next class, we can learn about the sources of food. From where these food items we are getting. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.